Grandpa, please! Just one more story. The one about the brave knight. I promise I will go right to sleep after that.
Come, sit here next to me.
Grandpa, why aren't you saying anything? Please answer me. You are making me really worried.
I'm just a little tired today, Nora. But you must be my brave little star.
Mom, I can't find my toy anywhere. I think I left it outside.
It is going to be okay. We will work it out together.
Look at what I made. It is a picture of us. You are sitting in your big chair, and I am standing right next to you. I used all my favorite colors. Look at this, Grandpa. I drew it just for you. Do you like it? It is our house.
It was a very long time ago. I still remember it all. I still remember it all.
Daddy, I did something wrong, and I'm really scared. I didn't mean to break it. Please don't be mad at me.
Nora, I know things seem a bit difficult right now, but I promise you, everything will be okay. What is you? Wait, did I leave it in here? I could have sworn it was on the counter. Honey, have you seen my keys anywhere?
I've been thinking about what's best for us. We need to make sure we're ready. It's a big step for our family.
I can do this. I'm going to find that hidden treasure. No matter what. Grandpa, are you okay? I was getting worried about you.
Can you speak up a bit, my dear? My old ears are not what they used to be, but I still hear your sweet voice.
Grandpa, did you hear that noise just now? It sounded like a tiny star. Do you think it is hiding?
Sometimes we just need to listen a little closer. Ah, I can finally hear the birds singing again. It is truly a wonderful little device.
Come on, Grandpa! Let's go on an adventure! Dad, you won't believe what I just found. There are glowing eyes in the backyard.
Nora, did you put this in here? What do you think we should do with it?
Dad, You won't believe what I found in here. I was just looking for a snack, and then I saw this shiny thing. It's like a real treasure map.